Cars Show 2026.
When I
May
opened the
3rd,
garage door and I saw the plastic gold in there, I am
2026.
humbled, amazingly humbled.
I got rid of 150 already.
That's because you're unbelievable.